Hey, let me ask you, how much time do you waste babysitting your downloads each week? You have to remember to check for new episodes, manually search, click download, and if you get the wrong quality, that's even more time wasted. It's a total time sink, right? Well, today we are fixing that for good with the set it and forget it system. In 5 minutes, you can set up StreamFab to act like your personal assistant, automatically grabbing new episodes for you in the highest quality. Set it once and never miss an episode again. I'm Wilson, and I've used this exact workflow for 1 year to manage my media library. I've tested it on all major platforms, so you don't have to repeat my mistakes. It's just 3 simple steps. Find the show, set the schedule, and let it run. We'll use Peacock's Days of Our Lives as our example. Let's get started. Alright, for step 1, we need to find the show. The key here is to use StreamFab's built-in browser, because that's how the software detects the videos and remembers you're logged in for. So, in the VIP services list on the left, click Peacock and log into account. Once you are in, just use the search bar to find Days of Our Lives and head to its main page. Okay, once you are on the show page, the important part is to just wait. Give StreamFab a few seconds to automatically analyze the content, and the download window will pop up on its own. Now, for the most important part, step 2, setting the schedule. In this pop-up window, you see a list of all the episodes. We want to focus our attention right here on this option. Auto-download new videos. This is the master switch that turns on the automation. We have to check this box first. After you check it, click the settings button next to it to configure the schedule. As you can see, the options are pretty flexible. Since Days of Our Lives is a daily show, we are going to select daily under frequency. And here's a little pro tip. Set the time to sometime in the middle of the night, like 3 AM. That way it can use your internet bandwidth while you are asleep. And when you wake up the next morning, the latest episode is already downloaded and waiting for you on your hard drive. Back on the list, you can go ahead and check any of the previously aired episodes you want to grab, set your preferred resolution and subtitles, and then click download now in the bottom right corner. The moment you click that, 2 things happen. First, any of the old episodes you just checked will stop downloading immediately. And second, more importantly, an automatic schedule for Days of Our Lives has now been successfully created in the background. So, where do you manage these schedules? That brings us to step 3. On the main left-hand menu, find the scheduled option and click on it. And there it is. You can see the task we just created, clearly labeled with its name. If you ever get impatient, you can select it and manually click Check for updates to make it run immediately. And of course, once the show is over, remember to come back here and delete the schedule to keep your list nice and clean. And just like that, you've mastered this automated workflow. This method is universal. It doesn't just work for Paramount Plus, it works for any other platforms. Just imagine, whether it's a daily soap on Peacock like Days of Our Lives, a weekly hit on Hulu like Only Murders in the Building, or even a full season drop on Netflix, you can use the same process to set it all up once and be done with it. To help you get started and practice, I've put together a special hot shows watch list for you. It includes popular currently airing shows from all the major platforms and their update schedules. If this tip was helpful, hitting that like button would be a huge help to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.